Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to go over how to merge our cells. So before we get started, what is merging our cells? Merging our cells will allow us to merge multiple cells together into one singular cell. The most important thing to know though, when you're merging your cells together is that when you're merging together multiple cells that have multiple different data points, text, or numbers, is that Excel will only keep the data in the uppermost top left corner. So if you have data in multiple different cells that you are merging together, it will remove that data. So with that, let's get started. The easiest and quickest way to merge your cells is simply by clicking the Merge and Center button. So you can select your cells, merge and center, and with that, they've merged all three cells together and centered the text. However, if we want to change the way that we merge our cells, we have the options up here in our drop-down menu. What you can do is merge and center, which is our immediate button, merge across using a left justification, merge your cells without changing the alignment at all, and you can also unmerge your cells here, also known as splitting your cells. So with that, we can merge across, and let's say this is what I wanted. I never wanted it to be centered. However, I can always change the alignment after. So I can move it to the right, I can move it to the center, and I can move it back. Now let's say I no longer want it merged. All I have to do is come here, unmerge cells, and there we have it. Now here is our warning. If I want to merge all three of these cells, but I want to keep the text in only the A1 cell, this is going to be a very easy merge. So all I have to do is merge and center, saying that it only keeps the values in the upper left value and discards all other values. Hit OK, and there you have it. Another warning that I have for you is when you're creating a table. You cannot create a table with merged cells. So for example, I come here and say I want to create a table, press OK. It automatically removed the merged cells in my first row. So now each of my columns are separate. Now the reason for this is that it makes it very difficult to sort and filter your data when cells are merged. Now, one way to work around this problem is by centering your text across the cells. All you have to do is select the data, go to Alignment. Under Horizontal Alignment, you can select Center Across Selection, hit OK, and once that's done, it looks like it's been merged, but it's actually sitting in the first one because that's where it originated, but it is centered across these three columns. Let's go back to when data is not in a table. Now, there is a shortcut that you can use on your keyboard if you want to merge and center. All you have to do is select your cells, hit Alt, H, M, and C for merge and center, A for merge across, and M for merge cells. And with that, you've been able to use your Excel keyboard shortcuts to allow your cells to be merged. Let me know in the comments what videos you want me to create next. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.